My name is Peter Wang, and I try to uh, presentation our new machine, and let's our new customer and quick understand how to use this operating machine. Okay, today let me first speak into the D8-3D, the quick guide. Okay, let me take a look at this presentation for PPT first. When you open the box, you can see two items. One is a main machine, the other is a white box. Could be the Xiaomi is a tablet or Samsung tablet, Samsung tablet. You can select both, each one, okay? After open the black box, you can see some item like the picture. You can see the cable, charger, and the box, and also have a case, silicon case. That's we could be offer you free for you. Also, you can see that's a small one white one we call most bit. There's wireless, wireless merge. You can open that like that one. It's a power button. It's a bottom side. Okay. Here you should be attention because we sold all the wall. All the wall have a different power adapter plug. We normally we use the cable used in Chinese is made in China using Chinese plug. But if you go to if it's United States customer or Canada customer or Japan customer, you can ask us to get a free plug adapt like that one, like that one, like that one. Or you can see the picture like that one. You can ask me go to where, we can give you different adapter. Okay, then you turn on the power switch power on the back side. Also, you can see that here the number. What is the number? Because that's machine with tablets using wireless connector, using the we call hot Wi-Fi to connect it, not using USB connector. It's a different. Here is a just a power plug charger. Okay. Because we should be attention because we give it each machine have a spatial number, the Wi-Fi number, and connect each machine in the tablet. So that's why we put it just sometimes give you see, oh, what's the signal from that machine? You can compare. You can see compare that's a different number. Particular for customer buy a few machine, open a few machine, you got a serious different number. So you should be that machine with that number, the other machine with that number. You can select different. Okay, later I see you the PPT. Okay, then you open tablet. Normally we already install software in your put your tablet. I'll put it here. I'll put it here. You just double click the number one icon. You can go to the software. First, you see the software is a customer manager interface. You just click the new, put a name, select the male or female, put the date of birthday and telephone number, then submit. You can see the customer lister. You can see your name is put there. Okay, then click OK, go back to the main menu. Okay, click shorting to the next page. If you have already a few machines, not only one machine, you should be they will be displayed different is Wi-Fi number. You can select each one you want to connect. Okay, that's why we have put it here. If a customer just have a single machine or just turn on the one machine, you don't care that's the system. Okay, don't care that machine. Normally, the system already to match that's Wi-Fi signal. Normally not signal. Then turn on the light. Later I show you my machine operate. If you're still not successful to connect it, you can go to the system looking for the Wi-Fi signal and select this number. The postal word is 123 123 8 is 8. Right? 123578. That's a very easy postcode. After that, you put your front face here. Take the picture. Very quickly. Take 5 picture, and we also got a 3 picture is a digital imaging, digital processing picture. So you got a total 8 picture. It's done very quickly. Got done. Also, you can slide. You can slide like moving that way or moving that way. You can select a different time. You take the picture. You can bring change. If you do not like the picture, you can delete. You can delete. Okay, after that, you go to the next page, analysis. When you go to see analysis, you can see the alt log lighting or manual log lighting. Normally, you just click alt log lighting. The picture will very quickly go to the localization area. Okay, if you want to modify, you can select it as a manual lighting and a little bit modify and moving a little bit. Then finish. That's the manual lighting. After that, you can go to the start analysis, or you can go to the motion meter. If we let's be talking about if we click a motion meter, you see the next page in the face like that one. Also, we already match each motion meter with your tablet. That's each by each one. So you just click the reconnector. What it should be turned on first. Turn on. You see the light, LED light is a flash. Then you click reconnect. It's a flash. It's on. Then you can put it a face, get a picture, get a date. Like that's one. After that, you click save and exhaust. Then information, multi-imaging is already done in the system. After that, you go to here, start analysis. The system very quickly do the presentation analysis. It's very quickly. It's very quickly. After the analysis, you can see the information here. You can mention here. All the information, sports, density, all the information is down here. Now you can see that have a few functions very useful. First of all, we're talking about compare. Compare. You just click compare. You got that interface. Here is very useful. You can compare each different two imaging from one group. Look at the one, you can select left side RGB, you can select left side right UV3D, UV365. Okay, different light image, different spectrum imaging. You can compare. Also, you can moving the bottom small picture, left side and right side, select different time to take the picture, put it here to compare. That means you can compare treatment before you do the picture or after treatment you do take picture. You can compare. That's very, very useful. If you see the picture small, you just double click imaging in the front. You double click the screen, you get a full screen like that one. Also, you can move in or move out, or zoom in or zoom out in the screen because the tablet is a touch screen. The function is very powerful. Okay, that's what we call compare function. After that, we see the other function what we call wipe cut. We take that function, we do the function like the TV station special effect machine. We call wipe cut. You can do the left and the right side in the wipe cut. You can do the bottom and the top and the wipe cut. Also, you can do the corner. You can do the circle, wipe cut corner. It's very, very useful, particularly for the circle. After that, click each small image here. Click here. You just double click each small picture. You can go to the 2D or 3D imaging. Yes. Let's see next page. Here we have a click get. You can see the very precision in the square in the line on the front, on the horizontal, on the vertical. What it means, that's one. That means if horizontal we put the A, B, C, D, and the vertical we put the 1, 2, 3. That means you can use that function. It's very easy. Localize any spots you want to move in, or you want to treatment the spots or wrinkle location. Also, you can turn on the machine. You can also turn on the machine. So you've got a full screen display. Okay, after that, we see the next very important information we call 3D. When you click the 3D display, you can get imaging automatically 3D turn from left and the right side. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can move or move in, move out, whatever. You can see a lot of detailed information on the 3D face. So you can turn the RGBs, you can turn UV imaging, you can turn polarized imaging. Each image you can turn on the 3D. You can see a lot of detailed information in the real 3D face. You can get incredible information and you can have a short feeling. That's a 3D display. That's very useful information, very useful toy, and a very useful function for customer, for our user. After that, we click report, go to report. Oh, see the report is the interface is different before we see. We see that we use with similar game, could be similar aerospace interface, different before. You can click each small one, got a single report. You can click chart, go to the chart information. Okay. After that, we finish it as our presentation PPT. Okay. And thank everybody watching our PPT. Okay. Thank you. Later, we're talking about the machine operate. I just do the machine presentation. Thank you. Now I just connect use our tablet. I try to connect our machine using wireless. Okay. When you turn on the machine, okay, you can finish it as a customer information register. Then you click shorting. Normally, can search camera automatically, but sometimes if you didn't find, you should be go to like up here. If you can find it, okay, don't worry. Looking for the high camera. I put the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8. See, that's a password. Okay, okay, connect. You can turn here. Okay. And system already converted another 3D digital imaging, got a total A picture already done. Okay. We done. You see my face here. Okay. You just click Alt. See it very quickly finish. There's a localization area. If we want to modify, okay, you can a little bit modify any imaging. You can modify any size. Yeah, finish. That's all. Should be attention, you know. That's a real spot. It should be moving the top and north. Normally that's why, because 3D converter needed this one. I needed this one. Needed this one. Okay. Then you can go to the moisture meter. Moisture meter. Okay, like me. Turn on. Turn on. Okay, I click the connector. Okay, connector. Then I put it in front. Okay, got a 35. Okay, save. Click save and exhaust. That's done. Then I click start analysis. The Xiaomi tablet is powerful. It's quickly about 30 seconds to finish all analysis. Samsung little bit slowly, about take 50 seconds to finish. Okay, you can see all the imaging, all the analysis results are already done on imaging and in imaging. Okay, let me first do the comparison. Here, click comparison. What it means comparison? You see, we can select a different student picture or different light picture from one group, one data group. Also, you can, okay, I just take here, just take one picture. Okay, you can moving the bottom, the top slide that button. You can get a different group picture selected. That means you can compare different time to take the picture. Like you do the treatment before, or after treatment picture, you can put together, compare. Double click image, you get a full screen. Now full screen. You can zoom in, you can move in. Okay, after compare the function, we're talking about wipe cut. Wipe cut look like a TV station using the TV station special effect machine. We simulate that machine to the function. You can move in from left side and right side. Okay, you can see the top or the bottom, move in or the bottom. You can see the corner on the full screen. Also, you can do the circle. You can move in here, 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 here. It's very useful. Double click a screen. You can zoom in and zoom out. Click lock. You can see a small one. You can slide, move in any image like that as well. Back. Okay, we finish two functions. The other function is very useful. Is we call 2D or 3D display. Double click in any small picture, you can get it. Okay, let me first talking about 2D display. We can move in, see the picture here. Okay, we see talking about wrinkle. Okay, click a 2D display. Here is got an outline. Using the GAT, we're very easy to look like describe the on any spot or the wrinkle looking to the operator for 3D function. 3D function is very, very useful and very powerful. You never see that function before, like that's a 3D display. Okay, you can move in any picture, can convert to the 3D. Okay, any picture, anyway, even that picture, you can 3D picture here. That's what we call maxing spots. You can see the polarize. That's a square that's what we call polarize. You can see the wrinkle. You see the wrinkle? One more zoom in, the wrinkle. You can see acne, UV acne. Oh, that's an incredible picture. Fantastic picture. You never see it before. You can see here, sports picture. That's one. 3D picture function display is very, very useful and a very, very new function. Very new function. You can show the customer what's your problem in your face. That's people shouting and so. See the report. Now let me see Oh, that's a interface report. You never see it before. Like is a game, like is aerial flight, is the meter. You can see, click each small picture, you can get a single report. You see the moisture and any information here. Okay. After that, all the operating functions are done. Okay. Thank you everybody watching. Thank you. Bye bye.